10 Amazing Benefits of Vaseline. Vaseline has been used by people for over 140 years. It is budget-friendly magical product, and the best part, it suits all skin type. So let's explore the secret of using Vaseline. Deep moisturization. Vaseline is an excellent moisturizer, but especially for those with dry or cracked skin. Apply a thin layer on your hands, elbows, or heels before bed, and wake up to softer, smoother skin. Enhance eyelash growth. Did you know that Vaseline can help condition your eyelashes? Applying a tiny amount to your lashes before bed can help them grow longer and stronger over time. Plus, it doubles as a clear mascara, giving your lashes a natural, glossy look. Lip protection and healing. Vaseline acts as a protective barrier on your lips, preventing moisture loss. It's especially useful during colder months when lips tend to dry out. Just apply a small amount on your lips, and you'll have soft, hydrated lips all day long. Makeup remover. Vaseline has also used in behalf of makeup remover. Simply apply it to a cotton pad and gently wipe away your makeup for clean, hydrated skin. Cuticle care. For healthy nails, don't forget your cuticles. Vaseline is perfect for softening and moisturizing dry cuticles. Apply a small amount to your cuticles daily to keep them healthy and prevent hangnails. Prevent stains during hair dyeing. When dyeing your hair at home, Vaseline can be a lifesaver. Apply it along your hairline, ears, and neck before you start. Hydrate dry feet overnight. If you struggle with dry heels, Vaseline is your new best friend before bed. Generous amount on your feet and cover them with socks. By morning, your feet will be softer and smoother. Lip balm. Vaseline is excellent for locking in moisture when applied to your lips. This is particularly beneficial in dry or cold weather. And there you have it, 10 incredible benefits of Vaseline. Whether you're using it for skincare, hair care, or even makeup, Vaseline is truly a multi-purpose product that can simplify your beauty routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.